Welcome grade 5 students. Today we will solve a test as final revision before exam. Okay, number 1, 7 minus 5 and n. Is the answer of 7 minus 5 in n or not? As a first, this is like element, not set. So it will take belong or not belong. 7 minus 5, sorry, equals 2. So 2 belong to natural numbers. Okay? The set of even numbers intersects the set of prime numbers. Set of even numbers is 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So the intersection between them is number 2. Number 3, if we add 3 to the twice of number x, twice of number x is 2x. Then we will add 3. So 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3. Okay, number 4. 93 plus 7 minus 7 plus 93. As a first, 93 plus 7 equals 100. Minus 100 equals 0. And we know that in addition we can replace or swap between numbers, and it's called commutative. Number 5, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side length is L. Okay, any triangle has 3 sides, and this triangle is an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal in length. So its perimeter equals 3L. Number 6, the area of triangle equals 20 centimeters power 2. One of its heights is 5 centimeters. Then the length of the corresponding base. Okay, we want the length of base. So base equals 2 times area over height. Or we can use this triangle. Half times base times height. Okay? Now, 2 times 20 over 5. 2 times 20 equals 40. 40 divided 5 equals 8. Number 7. The circumference of a circle of radius 4 centimeter equals what times pi? Okay. And we know that the circumference equals 2 pi r, or diameter times pi. If the radius is 4, so the diameter equals 8 centimeters. So its circumference equals 8 pi. Okay. Number 8, in the opposite figure, triangle XYZ transforms into triangle XY-Z. Then the transformation is called what? This is the original triangle. And this is the image. Okay? So this transformation is called reflection. Okay? Number 9, 4 times 31 times 25 equals 31 times what times 25? The missing number is 4. And this property is called associative. So the missing number 4. Number 10. The area of rhombus whose diagonal lengths are 12 and 16. Okay, we want the area. The area of rhombus, we have 2 rules of area of rhombus. Length times height, side length times height, or half times d1 times d2. Half the product of 2 diagonals. So area equals half times 12 times 16. By simplifying, 2 divided 2 equals 1, and 12 divided 2 equals 6. 6 times 16 equals 96. Number 11, on the number line. This is number line. A lies on 2, B lies on 6. The length of AB, that's B minus A. B 6 minus 2 equals 4 length unit. Okay, number 12. The area of square of diagonal length is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeters, sorry. So the area equals what? The area of square, we have two rules of area of square: side length times itself, or half times diagonal times diagonal. So half times 10 times 10. Okay, divided by 2 equals 1, divided by 2 equals 5. 5 times 10 equals 50. Number 13, in the opposite circular sector, X represents how many pupils? Okay, as the first, this part is half circle, and number of pupils is 120. And this part is also half circle. So the number of students in half circle must be 120. This part only 80. So X equals 120 minus 80 equals 40 pupils. Number 14, the opposite table shows marks of 40 pupils in one test. Okay, he wants the number of pupils who get 30 marks and more. Okay, how many students get 30 or more? 30 or more equals 80. Okay, if there is another number, we will add the number of frequency in 30 and the number next to it. Okay, now complete 13, 16, 19 in the same pattern. He add 3 in each number, so 19 plus 3 equals 22. Now plus 3 again, 25. Number 16, the symbolic expression of multiplying 5 by number x. 5 times x equals 5x. 17, the natural numbers less than 2. Okay, less than 2 we have 0 and 1. 18, the area of a square whose diagonal 6 centimeter. Okay, he wants the area. So half times d1 times d times d. Half times 6 times 6 equals, divided by 2, 1, divided by 2, 3. 3 times 6 equals 18 squared centimeter. Sorry, 18. Okay? Number 19. If the point A lies on the axis of reflection, then its image will be what? Okay. If we have this line is the axis of reflection, okay? And we have point A lies on the axis of reflection. So the reflection of point A across line L equals what? Equals itself. Any point lies on axis of symmetry, its reflection will be itself. So I will write A or itself. Okay. Number 20. The radius of circle which circumference is 88. Okay, he wants the radius and he gave us the circumference. Okay, we have this triangle. Circumference equals diameter times pi. I will get diameter at first, then divided it by 2. Okay, pi equals 22 over 7, so diameter equals c divided by pi. So equals circumference 88 divided by 22 over 7. Now change, flip. 88 times 7 over 22. By simplifying, 22 divided 22 equals 1. 88 divided 22 equals 4. Now 4 times 7 equals 28 centimeters. This is diameter. He wants the radius. So to find the radius, divided the diameter by 2. 28 divided by 2 equals 14 centimeter. Okay? Sorry. Okay. Number 21. In the opposite figure shows the marks of 40 pupils in one test. The number of pupils who get less than 40 marks. Okay, 40 marks is this number. How many students get marks less than 40? As the first, this is reach 6 and 30 reach 10. So how many pupils less than 40? 10 plus 6 equals 60. Okay? Number 23. Two numbers, their sum equals 35. One of them is x. What is the other number? If we have two numbers, their sum 35. And one of them x. To find the second number, we subtract the first number from the total. So the second number equals 35 minus x. Okay? Number 24. Using the properties of addition operation in n, in natural numbers, find the result of 53 plus 67 plus 47. Okay. As the first, let's arrange them correctly. It will be 53 plus 47 plus 67. And this property is called commutative. Okay? Now, let's take 53 plus 47 together. 53 plus 47 plus 67. And this is called associative. Okay, now let's add the two numbers inside the bracket. 53 plus 47 equals 100. Plus 67 equals 167. Okay? Number 25. In the opposite figure, ABC is right-angled triangle at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. Find the length of AD. He wants the length of this height. We have BC as a base and its corresponding height AD. To find the length of height, we must find area at first. Okay, I will get the area from this base and this height. Area equals half times base times height equals half times 8 times 6. Okay. Now, divided by 2 equals 1, divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 6 equals 24 squared centimeters. Now, we can get the height, second height. Okay, I will say height or AD equals 2 times the area over base. Okay, so 2 times 24 over 10. 2 times 24 equals 48. 48 divided by 10 equals 4.8 centimeters. Okay? Okay. Number 26. On the coordinate plane, if L is the axis of reflection, of the triangle ABC. Draw the image of triangle ABC in the straight line L. Okay, we must find the reflection of this triangle across line L. At the first point C lies on the axis of reflection, so its image will be itself. Okay, so C stays C. Okay, let's look to A. What's the distance between A and line L? How many square units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will move 6 on the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This point A dash is the image of A. Let's find the image of B. B at 1, 2, 3 square units. 1, 2, 3. Okay, B dash. Now let's draw the triangle. Now A dash B dash C is the image of ABC by reflection across line L. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.